Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video, guys, we will show you where the main power steering fuse, guys, electric power steering fuse is located, guys, on Dodge Dart. Okay, now I think it may work on Chrysler 200 as well, guys, because both of them share the same platform and many of the parts are interchangeable or about the same, guys. But always consult your manual. We'll demonstrate on Dodge Dart, guys, with the 2.4 multi-air engine where to find the power steering, electric power steering fuse. It may actually work on the 1.4 and 2.0. Again, just verify, guys. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this one here, we make more than 200 videos. Why? Simply, guys, because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy replacement fuses or parts, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. We'll share all that for your convenience. So this is, guys, the vehicle that we'll be working on. Now, if you as you know, guys, that's where the fuse box is, the main fuse box is located. You have one inside as well. But now, guys, if you look on top of the battery, on top of the positive terminal, we have another box right here that we need to open. And once you open that box, guys, okay, you have one fuse, okay, that will show you where it's located. And it's a 70 amp fuse, guys. Now, stay with us to show you how we are going to test that fuse, guys. Very important. Now, that's the 70 amp fuse, guys, and this 70 amp fuse is for electric power steering. Now, you guys don't even need to remove it to test it. Now, and we will show you how. You get the voltmeter, guys, and if you're on the market for a good, reliable voltmeter with a true RMS, guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. This is probably the best voltmeter I've owned. Super compact and very easy to use. Now, I have it set, okay, I'm going to turn it off, turn it back on, and we'll have it, okay, on continuity here. Okay, let me select continuity, and you're going to hear an audible sound if we have connection. Okay, and you'll see approaching 0 ohms. Listen now. So 0 ohms means that good connection, and continuity, guys, that sound means that the fuse will not be burned. If the fuse is burned, it will be showing like that. There will be no communication. Check it out now. Let's hear. Right there, guys, this is a good fuse, so we don't even need to remove that fuse, guys, to test it. But if you need to remove it, all you have to do, you have just 2 nuts with 8mm socket. You go ahead, pull it out and remove it, guys. Now, if you have more questions, guys, you want to see anything specific, let us know. As I said, we'll have more than 200 videos. We took that engine completely apart, so you'll find quite a bit of helpful information on all 3 channels that we have: Electrical Car Repair Live, Auto Repair, guys, and World Mechanics as well. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.